So now children, I hope you have recited this poem, you have enjoyed this musical poem. I really enjoyed it. So you also recite this poem, listen to the video first and recite it. Okay, you will surely enjoy this melodious poem. Now I will be explaining you line wise. So first line 1 and line 2. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the winds of our song. So you can see that the palanquin bearers are carrying a royal bride in the palanquin. Okay, can you see it? She is a royal bride. She is a royal bride. She is sitting inside this palanquin, and the palanquin bearers are carrying a royal bride in a palanquin. So they are the palanquin bearers. She sways like a flower. You can see the flowers are swaying in the winds of a song. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you the meaning of two words over here, two new words over here. First is bear. Bear means carry. Like these palanquin bearers are carrying a royal bride inside this palanquin. And the second word is sways. Sways means move slowly from side to side. Here you can see that due to the wind, due to the pressure of the wind, these flowers are swaying. They are moving slowly from side to side. So next is the explanation, proper explanation of these two lines. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of her song. Here, the palanquin bearers carry the newlywed bride. Okay, you have seen a newlywed bride inside that palanquin, right? So they are carrying a newlywed bride in a palanquin, and they are singing. They sing as they carry the bride to her in-laws' house. They tell us that the bride is very light to carry, and they don't feel it as a burden at all. The bride moves softly according to the movement of the palanquin and the palanquin bearer's song. And the bride swaying here is compared with the flower movements in the wind. As you have seen here that flowers are moving due to wind. So the bride swaying is compared to the flowers movement in wind. So the palanquin bearers are carrying a royal bride in a palanquin, and they are singing a song while moving. Their song is related to the situation of the bride, right? Isn't it? They say that they are bearing the bride lightly. They are not feeling it as a burden at all. Here, the poetess has compared the bride swaying with the flower movement, right? The bride is swaying like a flower in the wind, right? So here in these two lines you can see that the palanquin bearers, they are carrying a newlywed bride, and they are not feeling her as a burden at all, and she sways like a fire. Here the poetess has compared the royal bride with the flowers, right? That she is swaying like a flower. Now next lines, line 3 and line 4. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Here you can see the birds, right? And you can see the foam of a stream also. She floats like a love from the lips of a dream. Here you have two difficult words in these lines. Skims. Skims means moves quickly, like this bird. And next is foam. Foam means bubble. You can see the bubbles in this stream when the river flows. Okay, there are some bubbles, right? So these are some foam over here in this stream. Now the explanation of these two lines are as follows. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Here the poetess wants to tell us that now the bride's movement is compared with the bird skimming. First it is compared with the swaying of the flowers, Now it is compared with the bird skimming, okay, with the movement of that bird, right? Birds touch the foam of a stream slightly and fly away quickly. Likewise, the bride moves slightly. She is very light, and so she is said to be floating like a dreamy smile from the lips of a person who dreams. Her movement is so delicate and beautiful. The bride seems to be very happy as her movement is compared with the laugh, right? So here the bride, she is gliding like a bird on the froth of a stream, and she is floating quietly like a laugh from the lips of dream. So they are singing and carrying her happily, right?